Good morning. Good morning. Ari kami sa tunga subong sang aral.
I'm so
Holy
wet.
ride.
It's so hard to get into this top of the
Where's the top?
mountain.
Where's the top, Ray?
Here's in the top.
The top.
My toes,
my knees.
we're weak.
We're weak. Then the bottom of the line is that
And our strong man.
the strongest man alive here is now coming to town.
He's coming.
Coming to town.
Coming.
Oh, it's far behind. Let's see what. Oh, there's the.
Wow.
Oh, say hi. Hey, Teddy.
It's so high.
Hey, Teddy.
Hi, look at the mountain. Look at the place. It's so
Please,
very
it's
beautiful.
so very. Oh, who's that? The strongest man. The strongest man. Oh, I can see. I can see the pain living in your eyes. And I never realized one more. Ano? Nano ka? Stoy, gano ka? Kapoy. Oh, yan na yung strongest man alive. Oh, shit. Oh, crack. Tundon nga sa video ya. Oh my God. Oy, ubahay mo kalo. Mo. Oh, relax. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale.
Deep exhale.
Inhale.
Deep inhale.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
What can you say this trip?
You want back?
You don't come back?
State your
Hey.
statement clearly.
Statement. Because you are going to jail. Ano man bal mo?
Kapoy.
Kapoy, nagamay tingog mo. Ba't kagan ganyan nga mo?
The strongest man ever had. Okay lang? Balbal na ta?
Ang tatana na yun. Dasa naman na trip. Saka pa kami.
Sige.
Saka
Bye-bye.
Ano? Hari di ba kita ako?